Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Klarna error that says we couldn't verify your details. First, open the App Store or Google Play Store if you're on Android and search for Klarna. Make sure your app is fully updated. If you see the update button, tap it to install the latest version. On your device, go to Settings and General and go to VPN and Device Management. Check if you're connected to a VPN. If you're, turn it off as it can interfere with Klarna's verification process. Next, go back to Settings and select iPhone Storage or Apps on Android. Scroll down, find Klarna and tap on it. Choose Offload App or Clear Cache on Android and confirm. This clears stored data and removes minor bugs without deleting your account. Once you reinstall or reopen Klarna, try signing again. This usually fixes the issue and allows Klarna to verify your details correctly. And that's it. That's how you fix Klarna's "we couldn't verify your details" error. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.